Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So today in this particular video I am going to show you the MATLAB implementation of Laplacian of Gaussian filter. Okay, already in my previous video I have explained in detail about the theoretical intuition and the mathematical background. Now let's visualize the same using programming. So first thing what we generally do, CLC, clear all, close all, warning off, as simple as that. Now we have to apply this filtering operation on some image. So I am reading one image, okay, and I am taking one particular image which is present in MATLAB database itself, so you no need to take separately. Okay, cameraman.tif, that's it. This is present in MATLAB database. Okay, now I want to show the image. So this is our very popular cameraman.tif image. Okay, we can give title input image, right? Okay, so I am removing next style part. I want to show in different figure window. Right now here in new figure window I'll be showing the filtered signal. So we will compare our conventional simple Laplacian filter and the outcome of Laplacian of Gaussian one. Okay, so first let me create Laplacian filter. So fspecial of, if you just write lap, you will be getting Laplacian. Okay, then here filtered image equal to imfilter of, first passing the original image and then passing the filter. Okay, imshow filtered image, this one I am copying, pasting. Okay, what title we can give? Output of Laplacian filter, right? Then again I am just copying this particular part. Okay, Control C, Control V. Here instead of Laplacian we will be writing log, that is Laplacian of Gaussian. Okay, and the rest part same. Here we can write output of log filter. Let's run this and understand that how optimization is happening due to this improved algorithm, due to this improved version of Laplacian filter. Okay, let's check that. So it might take some time. Whether we got any error? Yes, we got error. Here it will be title. Okay, here now sounds good. So keep an eye on command window. Here double arrow should come if your code successfully completed, like see here. So now we are going to go for comparison with our output. So this is our input image. So figure 1 is input image, right? Title given input image, but why it is coming as output of Laplacian filter? Output of Laplacian filter. Okay, close all of them, runs once again. Title input image. Okay, right, let me just put one figure here as well. Due to might be that reason it is not taking properly. So see, this is our input image. Okay, and this is our output of Laplacian filter, and this is output of Laplacian of Gaussian. You just compare. This is Laplacian, this is Laplacian filter, this is LOG, Laplacian of Gaussian. You can understand this is our input image, this is our Laplacian filter, and this is our Laplacian of Gaussian. Okay, you can understand how much improved. Okay, like here I can tell you, in this particular side far away one building it is showing, right, in the original image. See, in the Laplacian filter it is capturing but not with that much confidence, but if you check output of LOG, it is brighter. Okay, and all the proper edges it is detecting more accurately or with more confidence, we can say. You can easily understand, right, by comparing these two images, right? So this is the use of Laplacian of Gaussian to improve the accuracy of the edge detection technique in presence of noise also, right? So I hope you have understood this. The same code I'll be posting in the description box or in the comment section, so that if you want, you can use that. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.